I am Waqid. I will translate Surah Fatiha in English. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed shaitan. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise is due to Allah. All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the universe, the most gracious, the most merciful, the master of the day of judgment. You alone we worship, and upon you we call for help. Guide us alone straight. Guide us along a straight path. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
MashaAllah.